This is Podolsk House by Stanza Living. Located in the Kormangala area, whether in a mood for shopping or eating out, you've got plenty of options to choose from. While Nexus Mall is right across the street, popular outlets like the Kormangala Social and Crawl Street are also nearby. Christ University and the Accenture offices are at a short distance as well. So whether you're working or still in college, be on time every time. Come, let's show you around. Security check-ins were never this easy. With our 24/7 surveillance system, best believe that your safety is ensured at all times. Also, there is a covered parking space available on the property as well. Now as you make an entrance, we take the elevator and make our way past the water station. Now, these aren't your usual PG style bedrooms. What you're signing up for is an entire apartment. With a living area fitted with a cupboard, fridge, and your own personal TV and seating. Each apartment comes with a high-speed Wi-Fi connection. The kitchen fitted with a microwave and a hot plate, so you can cook whatever you crave whenever you desire. Your bedroom is spacious, suited to your taste, and beautifully designed for your productivity and relaxation. It's sheer comfort with all amenities at your disposal. All of this and an attached washroom that comes with a 24/7 hot water supply. Everything makes up for a cozy and beautiful apartment. Up on this open and spacious terrace, hang out and enjoy the sunset with a good view. Call out to the housekeeping staff through the Stanza Resident app. We know we have convinced you. So come, live that Stanza life. Podolsk House is waiting for you.